Hello, my name is Eden Steven. We are from the Emmerich Invention. Today we present to you our new science kit, the Witch's Brew. There's a lot of stuff in this kit, so please follow the instruction and make sure you don't miss the extra post-experiment stuff inside the box. Disclaimer, please do not eat the stuff, although they are safe. And for this experiment, you will also need water and cooking oil. So, I hope you have fun. Please enjoy and get creative. Greetings, children. My name is Dr. Eden, and this is my apprentice, Kiel. We are from the Witch Academy. Today is a very special day because you are all going to be witches and wizards just like us. And as witches, other than having a flying broom, we must have our own potion. And today we're going to teach you how to make a potion. All of you are going to make your very special potion just like my apprentice. So let's start. Everybody should have a science kit box right in front of you. Let's open it up. Whoa! Look at this. What do we got here? We have instruction card. We have science card. And then we have, what is this? Oh, a playing card. And so many other stuff. I think we need a game plan here. Alright, let's take it all out first. So many stuff. This is awesome. Oh, whoa, what is this? Well, let's see, that's for later. Alright, let's first divide this into 3 sections. The first section will be for experiment level 1 and experiment level 2. Okay? Alright. Alginate solution. Calcium chloride solution. Got 2 bottles here for the first and second level experiment, and then food coloring. Alright, so that's basically it for the first and the second level experiment. For the third level experiment, we have glow in the dark powder. We have alginate solution, calcium chloride solution, and that's about it. Yeah. Oh, I forgot. And this is going to be for our level 3 experiment. Don't forget, we also got the stir box. Okay. Alright, so these are the sets of tools that we have. Alright. Okay, so let's start with first experiment. Everybody needs to start with training. Ready? Let's start with some training. For this, we will set aside the stuff for level 3. So we will still keep the tools. Make sure you have the instruction card ready in front of you, because we will be following it in detail. Alright, let's start with level 1, training mode. Step 1. Pour calcium chloride solution in a cup. You can pour all the way. Okay, very good. Step 2. Pour alginate solution in the alginate cup. Just a little bit. Yeah. Okay, good. Alright, step 3. Use pipette to take alginate solution. What is a pipette? Alright, let me teach you how to use a pipette. Okay, get another one. What you do, it's very simple. You press, dip, release, and you will see the liquid goes up. And to transfer, you simply have to press it gently. Yeah? So that's step 4. Okay, so you do it. Press, dip, release, then transfer. Oh, very good, KL. Alright. Okay, so now it says investigate what is happening to the liquid you drip into the salt bath. Don't see anything happening. Nothing happening. Alright, let's move on. Step 5. Repeat step 3 and step 4. Repeat step 3 and step 4. Alright, let's try. Release. Okay, let's observe again. What is happening to the liquid you drip into the salt bath? Nothing. Oh, it also says drain. Oh, it says this. Drain water through the sieve. Drain water through the sieve. So get an extra cup. Get an extra cup. Yeah. Drain it. See what happens. Oh, look at that. Okay, put it on your hand. Put it on your hand. Wow, look at that. What is this? Ah, it's the magic gel. Amazing. Alright, you can put this in the dry cup. Very good, apprentice. You pass. So now we are ready for the challenge mode, level 2. Alright, level 2, challenge mode. Now this gets even more fun. Step 1, keep the calcium chloride solution already in a cup from level 1. Okay. Step 2, pour just a little bit of alginate solution in the alginate cup. Okay, so you can pour that. Why shaky? Okay, it's okay. Alright. Step 3, add food coloring to the alginate and mix well. Which color do you like, apprentice? Okay. Right. Green it is. Add few drops. There you go. Better this time. Okay. Alright, mix well. Yes. Mix. Okay, that's enough. Okay, go for it. Yeah, that's better. More. Okay. Alright, so now let's put it through a sieve. Yay! Look at that. Here. Whoa! Colorful gel. Awesome. Alright, let's go to step 5 now. Okay, so we all finished with step 4. It says, try different techniques. Drip close to water surface and observe. Drip from high up and observe. So squirt fast squirt. Dump from the alginate cup directly. Basically, it says there are 5 different techniques of how you use this magic pipette. Okay, so let's do the first one, the low drop. So you keep your pipette close to the water surface without touching it. You don't want to touch it, otherwise it gels instantly. And you drip one by one. Okay, and alright, so now let's demonstrate the second technique, the high drop. Okay, for this one, try to observe what happens to the gel. Okay, so that's the second one. Okay, high drop, even higher. Yes. Alright, okay. The slow squirt. the third one, slow squirt. There you go. Alright, so for slow squirt, you just wanna try to get it continuous. There you go. Alright, technique number 4, the fast squirt. Come on. Yeah. Yeah. Alright, so that's the fast squirt. Good. Alright, the last one, our secret technique is the dump. The dump. Just dump. There you go. Alright, so it says to investigate now. It says each technique makes different shape of gel. Can you describe them? So for this, I think you need to do the experiment yourself and observe, okay? Especially it says to investigate, compare the low drop to the high drop. Can you spot the difference in the gel shape? Okay, so I will leave it for you to play an experiment, okay? Step 6. Make more colorful gels, so you can experiment with other colors and make your own mix of colors. Strain the gel, put your best gels into 2 containers, one with water and one with oil. Water and oil. Okay, alright, let's go. Look at that. Woohoo! What a big one. Oops. Alright. Okay. Alright, for the rest, we'll use strainer. Let's use the strainer. Yeah. A cup. Alright, pour. Alright, so now. Yeah. Half for you, half for me. Alright, so here it says investigate what happened to the gel colors after some time. So what I would like you to do is you can set this aside and observe what happens to the color of the gel after an hour, let's say. Okay. Alright, so we're finally at our final level. Are you excited? So yeah, for this experiment, you won't need any of the previous liquid. We will start fresh, including the tools. Okay, so go ahead. You can clean your previous tools. If you have liquid, you can dump it somewhere. All right. So now we're ready. Let's get started. Step 1: pour calcium chloride solution in a cup. Okay, very good. Apprentice Kiel. Good. Alright. Step 2. Pour alginate solution in the alginate cup. Just a little. Okay. Alright. Step 3. Add the glow-in-the-dark crystal just a little bit and mix well. Okay, that's good. Alright, now mix. Yes, very good. Step 4. Use pipette to transfer the glow-in-the-dark alginate into the salt bath. Okay, so now you transfer it to the salt bath. Yeah, there you go. Awesome! Go for it. Yeah, let me join in. Alright, so feel free to create however you want. Yeah, you can make use your previous techniques that you have mastered to make the most beautiful glow-in-the-dark gel. Okay. Alright. Okay, that's good. Alright. Now we're ready for step 5. Pour some of the calcium chloride solution into a container. Okay, we have given you a container. Go ahead. Alright, good. If your solution can fit in the container, you just put everything. If you want to add more glow-in-the-dark arginate, then you make more, and then you can strain them, and then you can put it into the container. Alright. Okay, step 6. Get your charging station ready. For this, you need a USB cable and a power source like your computer or a phone charger, just a regular one, or like in this case we use power bank. Alright, so there you go. Alright, so now step 7. Put your stir buck into the container. Okay, close it. Alright. Step 8. Put the container on top of the charging station. Step 9. Turn on the switches. Okay, another one. Yeah. Wow, look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Amazing. Alright. Step 10. Turn off the light. Whoa. Step 11. Turn off the light on the charging station. Wow. Look at that. What's happening? It still glows. It still glows. Alright. So step 12. Turn on the light. Turn off the switch, and there you go. Now you are truly a wizard and a witch. Congratulations, you have passed the Witch Academy. You are now officially witches and wizards. Now don't forget, you have these other cards that contains all the sciences about this experiment. Please go through it with your family and friends. You also have this challenge card pack that you can play with your friends and family. See if you can answer all the questions. Okay? Now most importantly, don't forget to share your beautiful creation on Instagram, Facebook and other social media accounts. And please like, comment and subscribe to our channel. You can check out our other modules in our website. And if you do run out of your solutions, don't worry, we got you covered. You can reorder in our website. Okay? Alright, so I guess that's all for today. Goodbye for now. Bye bye.